Hey, I'm gonna show you a bit how I make my project, my freelance project on Figma, and all the tools that I use. So we'll start. This is a template from Yui, I guess that's his name, and I'm gonna walk you through. So first, what I do when I start a project, I do a little research about the market and all that. I'm gonna show you a bit this. This is, I made this. This was not in the file. So I always do a bit of discovery about what the website is gonna be, and more focus on the market. What is the market? What are the current solutions? And yeah, some inspiration. It's great. So then I do a bit of user research. So I wanna know, that's not deeply research, but I wanna know what the final user of the website want to look for. So I don't build something that is not useful to him. Then I do a bit of market research. This is close to the discovery, but as I said, like, you search a bit how the user is currently resolving the issue that he have. For example, a marketing agency website. This is really important because you wanna know what he want to look for. For example, he want to convert more user to paid user. So you will maybe make a CTA on your website that said, get more leads or get more user or boost your profit or something like that. This is important for the next part, or is the content. This is before the design, as you can see. This is great because to make good design afterwards, you need to have some content. You can, what I mean by content is text, of course, but it can also be images, videos, demos, everything that you want to put on the website. So for that, it's really important to have a kind of structure of the website, what the client that will work with want to really have on the website, what maybe you will need to add. If you need like to add images, you can easily go on Unsplash or Pexels. They are both free, but on Unsplash you have a subscription that you can pay that give you access to premium photo. We have a small badge like this, and also that is great illustration like this. So yeah, you can go on this website to find images, and on Pexel to find images and videos that are free to use. So next part is design. What you want with the design is often you need some kind of wireframing, and there is some use case that you will not need wireframing. Sometimes I don't use directly wireframing because the tool that I use for wireframing can be a bit cannot really enhance your creativity. I will show you a bit the tool right now. So there is an AI tool that you can use, which is called Relume.io. This is basically you need the premium version. The free version gives you one project, one page. If you need one page for a website, that is great, but often you need more pages. And I mean, this is great. This tool works well, but it's really, I find it really expensive. You know, $40 per month. This is the plan that you really need, because with this one you have only one project and 5 pages. This is not enough. This one is what you need. If you really are serious about wireframing and going all in on your design and freelancing, maybe this is a great tool. At least you can try it for a month, you know. You try it for a month, you do like 2 or 3 projects during this month, like small project, but you try it. And then if you like it, you stick with it. By the way, I will put the important link in the description below. So yeah. So we do the designing here. I often split like on this. You see, you will have low fidelity, mid fidelity, and high fidelity. What does it mean? Low fidelity is more like wireframing. Mid fidelity is where you will add a bit of colors, fonts, images, even videos, etc. All the assets that you need for your website. And high fidelity is like the final thing that you need to code or to build on Framer, on Webflow, and all these tools. So, yeah, I will speak a bit more about the code maybe later. But right now, let's go to the mood boarding. So, what you will want to do with mood boarding is finding ideas that you like. There is multiple ways to do that. I will show you the most common is going on Dribble, searching, and here searching for something that you like. That is great, it works. Okay, there is a few more that I like. You can go on awards.com and you will have, like, you can go here, you can explore if you want by category. For example, if you do e-commerce, go there, you see some crazy cool looking e-commerce that can give you some ideas. And what I like right now to do is often to go on Framer, but the marketplace of Framer, where there is existing product that is already made. You choose, for example, an agency, you go there, and then you see all these things. And what you can do, I'm gonna take this one, I like it. You can click on the preview button. And then, as you can see, for example, I like this section, okay? I will take a screenshot of it and paste it inside Figma. And I will try to do something similar to it. And what's great with that is on Dribble, sometimes you don't have the mobile version of it. And now, as you can see, boom, you have the mobile version of it. So it's there, yeah. There is also Webflow if you prefer, or if you want more inspiration, you have this. Pretty much the same as I show you. But I think this is a great method that is not often recommended by other designers and all that. So yeah, try it and tell me what you think. Then let me come back to Figma. Oh, so here, as you can see, I put just some reference, some things I like about it. You can add some comments, like I like this title, I like this button, etc. And it's important to give you like an idea of where you want to go. So here, as you can see, there is sitemap plus AI, and you can put your sitemap here. As you can see, this is AI generated by William.io, but you can build it yourself. As you can see, use a flow and build it yourself here. I don't do it like this often. I prefer just to put a frame and put like home and the section 1, for example, section 2, the content inside. I prefer this way, but it's really depending on you. Try it both and yeah, you will see. Then there is also an important section. Let me put this here. So this is the style guide plus assets. So this is, sorry, delete this. So what the style guide do is like telling you what you will put inside your variables and maybe inside your code or Framer or Webflow or whatever you use. So this is an important part, and you will see on Figma, I will show you a bit the variables. This is some basic font size, you see, display 3, heading 1, etc. You customize it with your favorite fonts and colors. So let me show you some tools that I use for font, and tell me if you want more video about specific topics. So for fonts, you of course have Google Fonts, like always, you know. This is common. There is some good fonts on it, but there is a lot of basic fonts, you know, like overuse, etc. What I like is sometimes find some free fonts that are commercially usable. There is this site fontshare.com with a Foundry, and they provide free fonts like this. They are amazing fonts. I really like Satoshi. Clash Display is great. Cabinet is kind of funny, it's great. And Clash Grotesque, Switzer. They have some great fonts, and you can go on it to see it. You can read a bit more about closed source, what is it, the license, what you want, what you can do, what you can't do. So yeah. So this is one tool that I use for the fonts. There is a lot more. And there is also for the colors. You can use this tool to generate a palette. You see, I press space, generate. There is also explore palettes, and there is a really great website, Real Time Colors, where you put your colors, or you randomize if you want to see a bit of more colors like this, boom, 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 and you see how it all looks on a kind of real website, you know. All this is often used, you know, testimonial pricing on real website, and you can see, do you like the colors or not, and then change it, as you can see, boom. Okay, I like this, and then you click here, up, or you can also download, share links, add fonts also, that is great. You can add your custom font to see it better. So this is two tools that I use for colors and fonts. The shadows, there is a plugin on Figma that is called Beautiful Shadows. Really great plugin that helps you create great shadows with more depth to it. And as you can see, there is this one, for example. This is great. This works, you know. But sometimes you want something more specific. So Beautiful Shadow is great for that. And also on this, you see you have a bunch of UI elements that you can put here. Some text inputs that you can change, of course, and some icons that you really would use. This is something that I often use for the fonts and the colors, but I'm not that used right now to shadows, section padding, stuff. But it's great to give you content like some consistency. And let me put that on the left. As you can see, also what you can do is using, I think there is a custom plugin. You will click on this one. You have a custom plugin to edit a bit the variables on Figma. As you can see right now, that is great because there is all my variables here. And if I want to create a web page and I want a specific text on it, like get started, basic text, I will just take a variable like this and put it whatever I want, like this. Very great. And the same for colors, like this, boom. It's great. And same for everything, you know. You have effects, you have this small truc, boom, boom. All right. So let's go low fidelity. This one I tried something else. It was another project, but you can add your wireframing here. Here you can add, as you can see, the mid fidelity and now the high fidelity. So to finish this video, I will go over small tools that I use often on the projects. So as I said before, you have Howard's website that is really great. You have some cool inspiration on it. For example, if I click here, you can see already a video preview how this works. You can visit the resources. You can see, boom, and I can check myself what I like, what I don't like. You see, cool sounding, all that. Also an important part of your website is icons. There is a lot of libraries that you can use. What I like for my project is phosphor icons. Great library. Really like a bit rounded like this, really great. Right now I'm trying a bit more huge icons who have a big library of icons. There is only one that is free. You can buy the lifetime also for one user. That's a pricing, but they have really cool icons, and you can icons are really important for your website too. There is this one also. I like it, but I find it less modern than Phosphor and Huge. So yeah, it's your choice at the end of the day. So do what you want about it. So yeah. So thanks for listening, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.